Hello everyone, this is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And in the last video lecture series, we have discussed about optical and microwave engineering that has been completed already. And since this is the new academic year, 2025-26, we are going to discuss about the communication systems video lecture series. And in this episode, this is episode 1, and I'm eagerly actually waiting for this video lecture series because the communication system is very I'm interested in it because when I started my journey in this profession, teaching profession in 15 years back, I have given with this subject communication systems. I literally telling that I struggled a lot, and I taken this as my challenge and studied all those concepts from fundamental to and what is communication, what is this and what is that, like that. I studied everything, and somehow now I'm some expert. I published some papers in communication systems also. So this is the story behind this, and right away we can go in, we can dive into the session. So come, let's see the fundamentals of communication systems. So first thing, what is actually communication? What is the significant need of communication? That's very important. So whenever we are getting into any topic, we have to know what is the importance of the topic, right? So communication means that conveying information or message from one place to another place, or one person to another person, is the communication. So when you look back the very ancient times, very olden days, you could have studied that the people who conveyed the information by like some smoke or some flags, color flags, or some pigeons, right? Pigeons, something written and that will be tied in the pigeon leg, and it will fly to some place, and the person will be waiting for that pigeon and will get information. So likewise the communication happened, right? So that is in olden days, when before the electronic era. But now we are in a digital era, realm. We are using many AIs nowadays, right? So the birth of AI and several concepts, several technology by the means of only electronics. So electronics is the main platform which everything can be possible, even the universe which is in your hand, right? So that is the main thing. So anyhow, the communication is this one. So how the communication in those period have been developed? Like, see, in your mobile device you can be able to communicate, right? You can communicate, you can talk with the person sitting in America or Africa or Australia, whatever, even island, some other island, you can talk with them, right? So that is happened only because of the communication technology, that electronic communication technology. So that is the thing. So that's hope you understood what is the importance of the communication systems, right? So when we are taking this communication as a part, so only the long distance, long distance communication, the range of communication, and the communication effectiveness, that and all we must consider, right? So by just like that, we cannot see, you are speaking from your mobile to the other person, right? You are calling and you are receiving them, meanwhile you are receiving the calls from other persons, right? That will all happen just a fraction of second, right? But it's fraction of second, mini process in the background that takes place. That only we are going to study, we are going to learn in this subject, communication system. So let me give you some overview about this, what we are going to study in this communication systems, right? So when the communication systems takes place here, what are the challenges we are having right away in front of us is distance, long distance communication, and the noise. Actually, when I am speaking to you, if you are only the listener and you are the listener, and if multiple number of speakers are there and you cannot able to speak, you cannot able to find out what I am speaking, right? Because so many signals, the multiple number of speakers are talking each other, so that whole things will be combined and you cannot able to catch the point what I am speaking, right? So the noise is, this is called as noise, which is unwanted one, right? That's noise is one of the challenge, and long distance is one of the challenge, and we have to send the multiple number of signals, multiple number of information in one single path, right? So that also need to take, right? So these are all the challenges right away we are having. So because of these kind of things, right? We will be going, we have to address, right? We have to address these kind of challenges in our subject. In the subject we are going to discuss. So meanwhile, we will see these challenges, long distance communication, and the antenna height is one of the things. The antenna height is actually when we are transmitting the signal, when for long distance we have to keep the antenna very much higher. height that must be larger. But that anyhow, it is not at all possible, right? When you need to transmit a long distance communication, we cannot keep the antenna for a longer distance for several kilometers. That will be very implementation cost and the maintenance will be highest, right? So these are all the issues are there right away in front of us. So how we are actually, these are all solved by anyhow, that how this solution is there, that we are going to see in the forthcoming episodes. Hope you understood the significant importance of the communication systems, and by the next session we will see, we will check into the unit 1 first topic right away from the modulation, and we will start and we will take this as a video lecture series of communication systems. And hope this video, the thing I thought, communication systems, you hope you understood, right? If you like this video, put the like, and if you need any improvement or any suggestions, you can write it in the comment box. And if you really like it, you can share to your friend circle and your relatives or whoever who needs this video, you can share. And if you really like this, you subscribe my channel Jagdish Yam. Thank you. It's signing off. Bye.